Glass is also called supercooled liquid, super liquid, ideal liquid, distilled liquid. Glass is sometimes called a supercooled liquid because it does not form a crystalline structure but instead forms an amorphous solid that allows molecules in the material to continue to move. An object at rest will remain at rest and an object in motion will remain in motion until and unless it is acted upon by an external force. This is Newton's first law, second law, third law, fourth law. Newton's first law of motion states that a body at rest will remain at rest unless an outside force acts on it, and a body in motion at a constant velocity will remain in motion in a straight line unless acted upon by an outside force. What will happen if an object is dropped from a height and there is no air resistance? It will fall with a constant speed and acceleration. Its acceleration will increase. Both speed and acceleration will increase. Its speed will increase. When an object is dropped from height and when there is no air resistance, the speed of object will increase. Steam locomotive was invented by Simon Stevin, George Stephenson, Gary Starkweather, Percy Spencer. George Stephenson built the first steam locomotive to carry passengers on a public rail line which is between Stockton and Darlington Railway in 1825. If a body slides over a surface, the force resisting the motion between them is called centripetal force, friction, centrifugal force, inertia. Friction is the force resisting the relative motion of solid surfaces, fluid layers, and material elements sliding against each other. In a streamline flow, at every point in the fluid remains same. Force, pressure, velocity, speed. In a streamline flow, velocity at every point in the fluid remains same. The value of acceleration due to gravity at a distance of 2r from the surface of Earth, where r is the radius of Earth, is g by 3, g by 4, g by 9, g by 2. Option 3 is correct, g by 9. Meter in a vehicle that calculates distance covered by the vehicle is called speedometer, odometer, thermometer, TDS meter. An odometer or odograph is an instrument for measuring the distance travelled by a vehicle such as bicycle or car. The device may be electronic, mechanical, or a combination of the two. What is the SI unit of pressure? Newton, Weber, Pascal, Henry. Option 3 is correct. The SI unit for pressure is the Pascal. The time taken by a pendulum to complete one oscillation is called its maximum speed, average speed, time period, time interval. Option 3 is correct. The time taken by a pendulum to complete one oscillation is called its time period. If the weight of an object is 60 kilograms, what will be its weight on the moon? That means N is equals to Newton. 60N, 600N, 100N, 10N. Option 4 is correct. 10 Newton. The side mirrors of vehicles are of which type of mirrors? Convex, concave, plane, inverted. Option 1 is correct. Convex. UV rays coming from sun majorly causes which cancer? Lungs cancer, liver cancer, mouth cancer or skin cancer? Option 4 is correct. Skin cancer. Which of the following is not a vector quantity? Acceleration, electric current, force, velocity. Option 2 is correct. Electric current. The phenomena of raising the outer edge of the curved roads above the inner edge to provide necessary centripetal force to the vehicles to take a safe turn is called banking of roads, cornering of roads, elevation of roads or tempering of roads. Option 1 is correct. Banking of roads. For which of the following game players must have the knowledge of Pascal's law? Climbing, paragliding, rafting, scuba diving. Option 4 is correct. Scuba diving. What is the value of the least distance of distinct vision in centimeter for a normal human being? 2.5, 25, 58 or 60? Option 2 is correct. 25. Who invented the centigrade scale? Anders Celsius, Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit, William Thomson, Wright brothers. Option 1 is correct. Anders Celsius. On which principle does the hydraulic lift works? Newton's law, Pascal's law, Archimedes' law, Joule's law. Option 2 is correct. Pascal's law. The coil wire in the electric room heater or electric cooking heater is called circuit, element, filament, cells. Option 2 is correct. Element. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.